Hello everyone, I'm Elaine Adaw from the Mastermind Hub co-working space, and today I'm going to discuss to you the best apps to use for remote work. Number 1, we have Slack. Slack is an instant messaging platform developed to replace email as a primary method of communication for the whole company. This team collaboration software allows members to organize chat rooms for group discussions via channels where they can share information, updates, and files easily either within the channel or with other channels. Private messages are also allowed at Slack. The website used for Slack is slack.com, and its application is available for PC, which is Windows and Mac, and mobile like iOS App Store and Google Play. Number 2, Zoom. Zoom is another real-time communication application. Zoom is a remote video conferencing service that combines video conferencing, online meetings, chat, and mobile collaboration in one tool. Users can record their session, collaborate on projects, and share on another screens. With its quality video, audio, and wireless screen sharing performance, Zoom can be accessed across Windows, Mac, iOS, or Android services. The website used for Zoom is zoom.us, and it's available on Google Chrome Web Store, iOS App Store, and Google Play. Number 3, Teamviewer. Another useful tool for remote work is Teamviewer that enables users to access and control the desktop of your computers and servers at any place, whether on a 3G or better internet connection. This ensures secure access to all your desktops, workplace, even from any modern smartphone. It also allows collaborative meetings and chats with others online. The website used for Teamviewer is teamviewer.com, and the application is available for Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, Raspberry Pi, Android like Google Play, iOS like App Store, and Windows app. The fourth is Trello, a project management tool. Trello is an ideal Kanban-style list-making application that helps you list and organize your projects and tasks in movable boards. The dashboard presents custom boards and cards you can stack together based on your task and accomplishments. You can also add comments, attachments, due dates, and more to your cards. It is free to use online, plus your Trello account can be synced to your mobile application. The website for Trello is trello.com, and its application is available at iOS App Store and Google Play. And the last one we have is Google Drive. Google Drive is a file storage system created by Google where users can store, edit, share, and synchronize files on their own servers. It also has an office suite that encompasses Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. These tools allows users to do collaborative editing of documents, presentations, and spreadsheets in one platform. These files are also automatically saved in Google Drive, so you wouldn't have to worry about forgetting to save them. The website used for Google Drive is google.com or Google Drive. The application is available at iOS App Store and Google Play. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've learned something on this video. Please don't forget to like our page, like, and share this video. Bye!